Welcome to the first module in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and crypto space is the first part in the blockchain fundamentals program. Whether you are an enthusiast, trader, aspiring blockchain developer, or just a curious individual looking to learn where and how blockchain can be used, you have come to the right place. Blockchain technology is going to affect so much of the world today and in coming years. In the financial sector, energy sector, identity, IoT industries, these are just few names. But blockchain use cases weren't always built this way. Throughout its infancy, blockchain found its primary use in cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin was its original inspiration. To understand wider crypto and blockchain technology, we must first try to understand Bitcoin, the oldest and most widely understood blockchain application. Throughout this module, you will first learn what Bitcoin is and what its primary motivations are. Then we will dive into four parts of Bitcoin consensus and explain why Bitcoin is built the way it is.